Hello everybody. This is a quick video of Engine 53 from Titusville, New Jersey. Part of the Hopewell Township Fire District, number 1. And I forget the year of this engine, but when I find out, I'll post it in the description. But it's an older truck with the swing out compartment doors. Here you have your pumps, nozzle guns. You have a September 11 sticker, which I like. We'll walk around to the front of the truck. It has the American flag. You have your air horns and siren. And it says Rescue Rat on the top of the cab. Now your main pumps are actually on this side. You have all your gauges, switches, knobs, which look very complicated. But this type of truck is used for pumping water so that it can be used to put out fires. Looks like a searchlight on top so that you can see near the truck at nighttime. And then finally, you have the back of the truck, and it says Rescue Rat on the back. More searchlights on the back. And I guess extra equipment is stored behind that tarp, such as hoses and maybe ladders. This is a Pierce model, I know that because of the logo on the side. But there you have it for Engine 53 from the Union Fire Company in Titusville. Thank you very much for watching.